Okay, I'm in the town of Pacifica, and here's the famous Pacific Water black sands. And I am about to officially put my feet into the Pacific Ocean for the very first time in my life. And yes, out there I see a surfer. Way cool, dude. Alright, those are me and my flip-flops. I'm gonna put them right here. And here I go. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I just got soaked. Awesome. I almost lost my flip-flops. They weren't kidding about these riptides here. Woo! Those are my footprints in the Pacific Ocean. Woo, I'm soaked. Hallelujah. Here we go again. Here we go. Nice foam. Yeah. Oh, it is absolutely amazing here. Like, amazing, amazing. Oh, I don't want to come back.